How to buy calls on Robinhood. Hi everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can buy call option on Robinhood. So buying call option on Robinhood involves a few steps. First of all, you need to open or log in into your Robinhood account. Once logged in, this is going to take you to the home page. Here, click the accounts icon located right at the bottom. Look for the stock for which you want to buy or call option. So for that, go ahead and select stocks, and on the search box type in the asset that you wish to go on with. Next, you need to tap the stock symbol to access its details. So here you can see this is the detail page. And after that, you need to look for the option that says trade options. You can see right at the bottom. In order to do this procedure, you need to make sure that your account is verified. After that, it's going to direct you to the option chain. Tap on it in order to access the option chain. Now you need to select the expiry date and then the strike price for the call options you want to buy. Now you need to look for the option that says buy or call. You need to go ahead and select that. Enter the quality of call option you want to purchase. You need to review the details of the call option you're buying, including the strike price, premium and expiry date, all sort of things. That's basically how you can buy calls on Robinhood. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.